So do me a favor, once you're done watching the video, grab those 2 ingredients, make that glycolic acid peel scrub and see the difference yourself. It is fail proof and it's safe. It's a continuous process to take care of your skin, and your skin will reward you. And please do not forget to hit that like button somewhere here, subscribe button somewhere here again, and do not forget to tell me in the comment section below what your feedback is. If you have enjoyed the video, what all you want me to create in the future. Without any further delay, let's just start the video. To make this glycolic acid peel, guys, you only need 2 things. You only need sugar and lemon. Now, why you need sugar and lemon? Guys, if you read, glycolic acid is primarily derived from sugar canes, and it is also present in citric acid based fruit such as lemon. Now I'm gonna show you how you can create your own glycolic acid. Just squeeze out half a teaspoon of sugar, your normal sugar, preferably organic sugar. If you don't have organic sugar, you can use any sugar that is available, and just squeeze out the juice of half a lemon, not completely but roughly, to make a thick paste. And at the end, don't squeeze out completely, this much should be remaining, and then just use the same lemon to make a paste of this. It can be liquidy, but don't keep it for long, otherwise the sugar granules will melt away. And now let's apply the paste. Now you can add more sugar if you want, if the mixture becomes too thin. Now guys, you can totally apply this as it is, or you can also add olive oil if you have, just to make it more moisturizing. And olive oil is great for anti-aging. Instead of coconut oil, you can also use vitamin E or glycerine. Now guys, it will give you a little bit of a tingling sensation. It only means that the acid in lemon is working on your skin. It's not a one-day's promise. I'm not saying that you're gonna see fabulous results right after one usage. And in any case, guys, please avoid applying it on open wounds and on open pimples. Just apply it in slow circular motion, just like this, all over your face. So now guys, because of poor audio quality, I am doing a voiceover here, so I'm so sorry for that. Always use soft, gentle, circular motion. And because lemon has vitamin C in it, your skin will become brighter when you use it twice or thrice a week. The bad thing about glycolic acid, guys, is that if it's chemical based, your usage is restricted once a week maximum, meaning that you should not over exfoliate your skin if the concentration of the glycolic acid is high. However, if you use this home-based herbal glycolic acid peel, you can use it more than twice or thrice in a week as well. Now guys, I've just washed my face with plain lukewarm water. I did not use any face wash, any face scrub after applying the face scrub cum mask, and I do not have any face cream or moisturizer on. It's just my bare skin. Next you have to do is that you just have to tone your face. So I'm just using my Forest Essentials facial tonic mist called Punch Push. I'm gonna spray it all over my face, and it is very important to use a good toner after all the scrubbing, and just pat it and let it dry. Follow it up with a moisturizer and a sunscreen, which is a must, guys. Do not forget to use sunscreen, because whenever you use glycolic acid, it's very important for you to apply sunscreen. And when you should apply sunscreen? After your moisturizer. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked my DIY mask. It's extremely effective, so please do try this at your home and let me know in the comment section below. And before you go, please subscribe to my channel, and I have created more videos. Go to my profile and please see all the videos. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video.